Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't did so, please click the subscribe button and subscribe to me so you can, and turn on your notifications so you can see me more. I'm gonna jump right into it. I went to shop with Kendra Boutique. She's located in Little Rock, Arkansas. She's phenomenal. She sells a lot of different hair. She sells hair to Black China. They're good friends, so she wears a lot of her hair. Jay Nice, if you follow her on Instagram, she owns the store Closet Envy, and a few other people. Makeup Shayla had some of her hair before, so she's really in the mix with the celebrity game and Instagram famous people too. So with further ado, I'll just show you the packages. I ordered her hair 2 different times, so I'm gonna show you guys what I have on both different times, and I'm just gonna jump right into it. So this is how it's packed. It's packed in the priority mail. It was a 2-day shipment, as you can see. Yeah, show you guys what I have. Okay, this is in the bag, the package. Oh, let's see what this is. So this is the first thing. This is like a little gift because I didn't order anything extra. Let's see what this is. I think it's like a hat or something, or a cap. Oh, it's like a shower cap with the K and the hearts on it for Kendra's Boutique. That's so cute. This is how it looks in the inside. That lining. Very good. I like this. Oh, whoa, some good stuff. The second thing I got is this, it's a Kendra's Boutique hair modeling. So this is maybe, let's see. I don't really know what this is. I guess this is like some type of hair pomade that you can put on there to kind of like slick the edges, or, you know, the fine hairs that's flying. I don't know what it is. So, but this is it. It comes with this cute little brochures, pamphlet with her lovely picture on there. I love her purple hair. She's gorgeous. And this is in the inside. It just basically tells you about her products and what she has. On the back, it gives you this little thank you message or whatever. It said, "My name is Kendra, owner of Kendra's Boutique, and I would like to personally welcome you to the Hair Barb Nation. My team and I want to thank you for trusting us to enhance your beauty. Kendra, head barb in charge." Isn't it bomb? And it has, at the back, it has all her contact information on the bottom and stuff like that. You can follow her on YouTube. Don't worry, I will put the links and stuff at the bottom. Not only does it, well, it doesn't shows about all the hair, but it does tell you how to shampoo the hair, what to do and what not to do to the hair. Everything you need to know about what you should use your hair care products. This is this. Very lovely. Uh-oh. The shipping of the packaging, it just basically tells me that I ordered 3 bundles of natural deep wave in 40 inches. This is another, this is a flyer that she put in there, and basically she's telling you about the deals that she have on the back and about the wigs that she has. She has the luxury extensions, full lace wigs, bundles, frontals, closures, and hair barb accessories. So Yeah, she's basically have these deals all the time on her website. You can get 2 bundles for 200, 3 for 270, 4 for 340, and 5 for 410. And this is it. Okay. This is how the hair is packaged. It's so cute. It's pink and green. I love it. And it says Kendra Boutique on the front. Jump right into it and show you guys the hair. This is the hair, and it looks really tiny. But whoa, it looks so short because I guess because it is deep, natural wave, deep wave, but it looks very short. And you guys gonna think I'm crazy because I'm not over exaggerating. It is really short because it's curly too. It's curly, right? But this is it. And this is 40 inches. It's really short. So if I put it on my headband, I got it on my headband and it's right there. Of course it's gonna be longer. It's gonna be longer, but you know, the fact that, see, it's longer. It just looks like this because it's curly. It smells good. It looks pretty. It looks really pretty. That's 1 bundle. Oh, then it has the Kendra Boutique on the packaging with her website. This is another 40. So this is the 2nd bundle. And this is the 3rd bundle. So 3 bundles of the 40 inches. So you guys see this for now. I can show you guys the next set. So this is the next packaging I have because I ordered it 2 different times. It shows you my packaging, my shipping, what I ordered. Another handy pamphlet, brochure that I showed you guys last time. So we'll start with the bag. It's a different bag. It has Kendra Boutique and it has hair barb on the back. This time I ordered only 1 bundle to go with my other bundles. This look kind of longer, but I think it's still the same. Maybe because this is just, it seems like maybe someone pulled this out a little more, but I still think it's the same length as the other ones. It just looks longer because the curls look pulled out more at the top. But when I co-wash it and blow dry it and put it in my head, it's gonna be bomb. But this is it. So that's 4 bundles. Then this is the closure that I got. This is the closure. I mean, not the closure, this is a frontal. I'm sorry, this is a frontal. This is the HD Deep Wave Lace Frontal in a size 18 inch. It was $145. That's how much it costs. And each bundle was $160. Each bundle was $160 on here for the 40-inch. So this is it. This is birthday hair. So my birthday is on June the 20th. So this is birthday hair. Like, I am so excited. It is so beautiful. Let you guys see the definition. Look at that. Hope it's not too bright. This is the HD closure, lace frontal. I keep saying closure. I hope it's not too bright. Let's see. You guys see that? Get that off my finger. I don't want to go. See that? Baby hairs. I'm gonna try to get into this closure. It's really cute. Let me see. What y'all think? Does it look like scalp? Does it look like scalp? You know, that's how the girls do on IG. They put it, or on Instagram, they put it to their scalp like this looks like scalp. Or they'll put it on the back of their hand and see. I hope it's bomb. I definitely gonna keep back on here and show you guys. But I am just so excited that I finally got it. So yeah. This is it. Let me just show you guys again. This is the 4 bundles and the frontal. Four bundles and a frontal. So, of course, the bundles that, you know, like, of course, some of them are gonna look kind of thin because you have to realize the longer the hair is, it seems like the less you get. You know what I mean? And you know, that's, hey, this is just, it is what it is, you know? So I'm not mad about it. So that's why I got 4 bundles. I actually was going to get 5 bundles. But someone told me to just get 4. And since I have a frontal. But I just didn't want it thin looking. You know what I mean? And I still think, just looking at it, it looks like, it looks thin right now because, you know, it's not fluffed out or anything. But I'm like 100% guaranteed when I co-wash this and I let it air dry or whatnot, and then I get it installed with this frontal right here, it's gonna be so long. I'm like already knowing that. I'm like already knowing it. So that's why I'm just not like, you know, overreacting, because I know that it's gonna be really, really full and long. And if not, I don't want a whole lot of hair anyway. It's hot outside. It's too hot. It's like probably 100. But yeah, I can't wait to get it installed. I'm gonna get it installed next week. And I will come back, having a dinner, so I will come back and I promise I will do a get ready with me to show you guys how I'm moving, what I'm wearing, and yeah. So if you like this video, you like my other videos, please subscribe, come back, and just check in with your girl. I'll be here, not doing anything on this lovely June month. I almost lost train of thoughts, but yeah, oops. But yeah, it's really long. It's super long. Look at that. Let me just show you guys, because I don't want you guys to think that it's not long. So I'm gonna put it up here. See, it's, look at that. Look at that. It's going all, like, I got it literally right here. I got it right here. And it's going all the way down, like past my butt. So yeah. appreciate this. I thank you, Kendra. I know sometimes I think she watched the video, so thank you so much for my lovely hair. I can't wait to put it in. So, yeah. So that's pretty much all I have on this video. I thank you guys for always supporting me with my videos and what have you. Trust me, your appreciation does not go lightly. I appreciate you guys. I'm thankful for you guys. Like I said in many videos, I'm truly thankful for the support, the feedback, and everything that you guys want to see. I'm gonna make sure I get back into doing nails. Like I said before, when I was doing nails, I could go live, you know, and that's everything. I would love to go live more, but I need more subscribers to do that. So in the meantime, you guys keep sharing and keep watching, because the more you guys click on my videos to watch, the more, I guess, airtime I get, and the more YouTube probably be like, okay, let's see, this girl right here is doing her thing. Let's go ahead and boost her up to 1,000 subscribers. Let's just let her just start going live. That's all I need. That's all I need. And I would do more videos. Like I would do more nails, you know? So, yeah, that's pretty much all I have. Like I said, if you guys have, like I say all the time, you have any questions, concerns, or comments, and even ideas or suggestions, feel free to put a few messages in the drop box down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys. Have a blessed day. Bye.